badminton world champion and only the second individual athlete from India to win two consecutive medals at the Olympic Games. In 2022 Commonwealth Games, Sindhu won gold medal in women's singles. It's our privilege to have such renowned sportsmen among us with this evening. I welcome all our esteemed customers of Bank of Baroda for attending this event. I welcome Shri Akhil Handa, Chief Digital Officer, Bank of Baroda, and Shri Sudhanshu Singh, General Manager, Head Digital Business, Channels and Payments. I welcome all regional managers and my dear colleagues, including Mr. Nima and Mr. Bajpayee. Bank is regularly adding new products to deliver ease of banking to our customers and provides superior customer experience with convenience. Bank of Baroda, India's international bank, offers different type of accounts to meet your financial goals. Bank offers wide range of deposit and loan products that are specifically designed to keep your unique requirement in mind. Bank World mobile application is a state-of-art application of the bank which provides customer convenience in one touch. Bank is adding new functionalities to Bob World application on regular basis to deliver ease of banking to our customers. Bank of Baroda debit cards are loaded with variety of benefits to accommodate need for cash withdrawal, online purchases, free airport lounge access, complimentary club membership, offers from premium brands, wide range of POS terminal transactions, among other things. Newly launched debit card has specific features for men and women, and Mr. Akhil Handa and Mr. Sudhanshu will give a complete brief of the new product. You can choose the Bank of Baroda debit card that best suits your needs. It is more secure and safer. Without much further ado, I welcome Shri Akhil Handa and Shri Sudhanshu Singh to take over this event. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to extend very warm welcome to India badminton icon and our chief guest of the day, Ms. P. Our Chief Digital Officer, Sri Akhil Handa Sahab, all the executives from our Bank of Baroda and the esteemed clients present here today. We are extremely delighted to have and launch two very promising variants under debit cards. And these debit cards are not like our traditional debit cards. All we know, the debit card means plain vanilla traditional ATM withdrawal and to certain extent online POS and e-com uses. But these debit cards are really something different. And these debit cards certainly for premium and super premium customers, where we have bundled a lot of very precious features. I can remember the famous quote by Seth Godin, "Don't find customers for your products, find products for your customers." With this thought, we at Bank of Baroda aim to deliver the best products and services to our revered clients with a differentiated and rewarding experience. And that way, this particular debit cards, you might have seen the backdrops. It gives some clue how very uniquely this has been designed. And one more very important thing is the BS sport propositions include especially curated offers, benefit across a variety of premium brands. Already few of the offerings our Manmohan Gupta Sahab already he has given the key components of it, starting from the club membership, shopping experience, and other important part of life. But certainly I can tell you today is the special day, and we are going to introduce this very remarkable and exceptional version, and we are very much confident our customers what are present here and the customers pan India and globally, certainly they will be very comfortable and they will be having the joyful experience while banking with us. And whenever we are doing any transactions, just now Manmohan Gupta ji also was talking about Bob World, which is our parent brand digital logo. Whenever we are doing the transactions, certainly it plays very important role in our life. But this card, either you go for travel, you go for dining, you go for any purchase, apparel, accessories, health, wellness, everything. It is just like one some sort of your online friend, always available 24/7. That kind of this card is. But certainly without taking much time, all will be very eager to listen our Chief Digital Officer Akhil Handa Sahab and really the main architect and key strategies behind this entire, the birth of these two variants is none other than our Sri Akhil Handa ji. So with this very brief inaugural address, I'd like to conclude my messages, but certainly you are going to get lot of benefits while using these cards, and these cards is full-fledged your life experience, not like a plain vanilla debit card. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. And while much has been said about me, this is not about me. This is first about chief guest that we have, who happens to be, I was just going through some of the achievements of Sindhu, and people call me a young achiever, and I felt so small. And I was like, there is a she's a Padma Shri, she's a Padma Bhushan, which happens to be the third highest civilian award, two-time Olympic champion, and here I've not even managed to ace an Olympiad. So, so thank you very much, Sindhu, for gracing this event today, and thank you to all the valued customers. I know we've got this at a very short notice, but thank you for gracing the occasion and being part of this. Bank of Baroda has been on a digital transformation journey for the better part of the last 5 years. It's been a journey, from we have a legacy of more than 110 years, about 114, 15 years. But really this proud legacy is what propels us to keep a leg in the future, but also be very, very deeply connected with our customers. And to what Mr. Singh just quoted, we design products for the customers, listening to the customers' needs, and not what we believe the customers want. We don't retrofit products to customers to products. We bring products for customers. And this is just a continuation in the series of thought, in the series of the digital products that the bank has launched. Bob World Tab, Bob World Internet, Bob World Prepaid. We've had a range of Bob World initiatives that we've rolled out. Bob World has been, Economic Times has awarded us the best digital bank, and there have been quite a few other awards as well. But the point is that ultimately awards is one thing, but customers' acceptance is the ultimate marker of success for us. And this is the reason why we wanted to share this launch event with the top customers of the Hyderabad zone in the presence of a very, very august achiever of India. Opulence. If you look at the word opulence, well, the dictionary meaning is a lot of wealth. Right? But opulence does not just mean wealth. In fact, we believe that opulence means large, big, a lot of it, a lot of thought, desires, action, and achievement. And with that thought, we believe that the desires, thoughts, and achievements of our valued customers need to be celebrated with a product that matches it shoulder to shoulder. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you Bob World Opulence. This is the super premium card that we are launching today. This card will be your partner throughout your life cycle. And while SK touched upon some of them, I won't touch it to the variants or the various propositions we have, but I'll run you through a scenario. And I just bumped into Mr. Naidu, who happens to be a very valued customer. And I was just thinking, how will it help Mr. Naidu? Because in our conversation, he touched upon his upcoming visit to London. And I was just thinking, how would it help Mr. Naidu? And I just plotted a journey. So, from staying in, let's say, a Taj Falknama in Hyderabad, he departs, he's on his way, of course, to catch a flight. But on his way, he thinks that, look, you know what, I need to be groomed, I need to get a nice shave or a haircut. He heads off to a True Fit and Hill outlet. He then feels that, hey, you know what, I should get a new Brooks Brothers shirt as well. And maybe pack it with a new cardigan. It's winters or onset of winters in the UK. And then he calls for a pick and drop to the airport from the Brooks Brothers outlet. Gets to the airport priority lounge, gets treated like a VIP, which of course he is. Gets to London, deboards, again another pick and drop, gets to a Marriott, stays in the Marriott, has a nice complimentary breakfast, all that stuff. And then of course stays there for a couple of days, does whatever he's gone there to do that I'm not privy to. I don't know what he's going there for, Mr. Naidu. I hope it's business or otherwise. Gets back, and on his way back he has shopped a little bit more from Calvin Klein. Then also feels generous, thinks that, hey, you know what, I have to get something for my daughter and my wife as well. So stops at the House of Masaba, gets a few outfits. I'm told that happens to be the rage, House of Masaba, so gets a few outfits from there. And from there on, heads to his home, pawns off all the nice gifts to the wife and the children, and then goes off to tea at the golf course. Now, in all this lifestyle that I just mentioned, the life cycle, imagine if Mr. Naidu gets a 10 to 20% off on every purchase, would it not be worth it? And I think that is what we're trying to celebrate here. We're trying to celebrate the opulence, the lavishness of your achievements, of your relationship with the bank, and with that, we are rolling out this card that commemorates that relationship with us. The second category of cards that we're launching today is the Bob World Sapphire. And these are, again, premium cards. And I'm not going to go into the benefits of the cards here. But I just want to make one point, and this again goes back to the quote from Saif Kodin, that we are designing products suited to customer needs. And you would see that, in the market you would get credit cards, debit cards, a lot of cards. A lot of them will come with some omnibus offers. But have you thought about it? The requirements for offers from at least segments of customers do vary. And this is where we're bringing out the Sapphire range of cards, which is suited for males and females. So if you are a Bob World Sapphire customer, you would have the option to select either a Bob World Sapphire his version or a Bob World Sapphire her version. And the benefits you would get from them will be tailored to the specific gender. So if it's a her, we will not bombard you with an offer on Louis Philippe. We will rather get you maybe Forest Essentials. And if you're a him, if the customer is a him, then of course no Kalki fashions, right? We'll get you Urban Fashions, Calvin Klein, Polo, right? Suited for you, right? So we're spending the resources in celebrating the relationship, identifying the customer's needs and the customer segments. So that really is what we're going to do today. And thank you again for joining us in this very momentous occasion for the bank. And I eagerly look forward to receiving feedback from all our valued customers. Thank you very much.
A very good evening to everyone, respected dignitaries on and off the dais. It's a great pleasure to be here today, and I think being with Bank of Baroda has been so many years now and been very helpful all the time. And today I'm here for the launch, as already everybody has mentioned here. But I think it's my duty to mention again, because I'm really excited to know the benefits and also to know what's in it. So well, I think Bank of Baroda and Visa are today launching 2 debit cards for Bank of Baroda customers. One is the Bob World Opulence, a super premium Visa Infinite Debit Card, Metal Edition, and another one is Bob World Sapphire, a Visa Signature Debit Card. I think in order to cater to the taste and preferences of its HNI customers, the two newly launched debit cards offers a variety of luxury brands to offer a truly world-class shopping and lifestyle experience. Bank of Baroda Super Premier Metal Card, Bob World Opulence Card, as the name reflects, shall serve as perfectly bundled package of premier offers and crafted experiences for the affluent customers. Having standout tailored benefits in travel, lifestyle, health, wellness, etc. for him and her might make the Bob World Sapphire card the market's first true differentiator. Being a woman, I'm really looking forward for it, and I'm experimenting with the card, and I would like to thank you, sir, for giving me the card. And definitely I think being a sports person, it will be even more useful, because I keep traveling, and when I talk about the benefits, I think when I saw and when you explained about it, I think it is very useful for me personally, and definitely I'm going to love it, and I'm sure all the customers are going to love it. And I think wishing the Bank of Baroda, Bob World, all the very best, and I think this is definitely a big launch, and I think I congratulate each one of us, each one of you all, and also including me, because I'm in the Bank of Baroda, and I wish and hope there will be many more coming in the future. And once again, thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.